Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Hello, my name is Kathleen Coombs, and I'm going to bring you a meditation for the Yoga for You channel on YouTube. Welcome. Start off by finding a comfortable place to sit down or to lay down. Today's meditation is going to be focused on Anahata, the heart chakra. I want you to start to relax your body, to close your eyes, and start to use your breath gently, moving in and out through your nostrils, expanding and contracting your belly with each breath, to start to relax the body and bring your energy downward. Try to use the breath to calm your nervous system and to release out any tension or anxiety that you might be feeling at this moment. Continue to breathe in and breathe out, making your breaths long and slow and even. As you breathe in and out, try to make your inhalations equal in length to your exhalations. And then start to draw your attention to your heart. Listen for your own heartbeat. And now what I want you to do is start to visualize people in your life. Start to visualize the faces of the people that you love. And imagine that through each beat of your heart, you are connecting with each of them. Imagine the people in your family. Imagine your friends and your neighbors. And now start to invite other people in using the beating of your heart to connect with you. Start to widen who you invite in. Think of your community. Perhaps think of your town or your municipality. Expand it even further. Imagine connecting with the people in your country, connecting with people from other countries. Each heartbeat connecting with the beating of their hearts. Joining one human to another. Imagine all the heartbeats in the world. beating together, beating in unison, connecting each and every human through love, through peace, through the callings of the human heart. Imagine that we are all connected, joining arm and arm. Showering one another with love, showering one another with compassion, showing that we can understand one another through the language of love, through the language of the heart. Continue to connect with the world family through each beat of your heart, through each beat of their heart. Feel the warmth of the love that you share, the love that you have for them, and the love that comes back to you. We are part of this world, this universe, and each one of us has a special place designed for us, a special purpose designed for us. We are never alone. Take a few more breaths. Continuing to share in the love that you have for everyone, for others. Basking in the love that they share back with you. Take a couple of more breaths. And filled with this love, come back into your present, come back into your body. And before we wind up this meditation session, I invite you to show self-love. So let's open up our arms, spread them wide, imagining that you are gathering the love from everybody around you. And then on your exhale, bring it into your body and hug yourself, love yourself. On your inhale, share your love back out into the world, sharing it with everybody else. And on your exhale, bring their love back to you, hugging yourself again. One more time, open up your arms, share your love. And finally, exhale, bring their love back to you. One more. embrace. Take a nice inhale. And on your exhale, release your arms. Lift up your heart. Thank you for joining us today for this short meditation. I invite you to take it anytime you need a reminder that you never walk this earth alone. You are part of a family. You are part of a community. You are part of a world family. And you are a part of the universe. Thank you for joining us on Yoga for You. Namaste.